Guten Morgen, Bikers of Vienna, Austria. In today's video, we're gonna do unboxing and build a Canyon SPEEDMAX CF SL8 Di2 with Ultegra group set. Together with my friend Mr. Romar Buenaflor. Okay, let's start and build this triathlon bike. Also in this video, we gonna do some basic bike fitting like right height of the saddle, perfect reach to the handlebar, and the right position of the cleats to my cycling shoes. As you can see, out of the box, the bike was already pre-built. We just have to put the front wheel, the handlebar and aero bar, and the saddle, and the bike was almost done. So, for bike fitting, we have to use a home trainer. By the way, my home trainer is an Elite Turbo Red. And we put the triathlon bike on this so we can easily build it up. And now we are carefully inspecting everything if we have all the parts. We are now starting on putting the handlebars. Now I'm about to tighten all the screws to fix my handlebar, but you have to be careful here not to over tighten the screws because all of the parts are made of carbon. So if you over tighten it, there are a chance of damaging it. Okay, let's move on putting up the saddle. Don't forget to put up some grease or lube to easily put it in or out in case you just want to adjust it for the perfect height. And because we are not professional, we also read the manuals just to see if all the things we do are right. On this part, we are already starting to put the pedals. Before I forget, when you buy the Canyon bike on their website, you also get all the tools you needed on building up your bike. So you don't have to worry how you will gonna build it. So, just in case you ask, what is the advantages of buying a bike from a direct seller online? Well, this bike can easily much more be expensive if you buy it in store. And in online, you can save up to 1,000 to 1,500 euros. So, how could it be? Well, if you buy online, the online seller don't have to pay workers, don't have to pay the establishment, and also they are saving lots of money on paying the tax. Now, with the saddle on the bike, let's start now the bike fitting. My friend here will assist me to achieve the right height of the saddle so I can easily ride for a long time with my bike. And now that we achieved the right height of the saddle, we are now starting to adjust the cleats on my cycling shoes. Here, we are trying to adjust my pedals so I can easily clip in and clip out in case of emergency, because at this point it's too tight for me and it can be dangerous if it's not adjusted properly. So at this part, we are now on positioning the handlebars and the elbow pads so I can comfortably position myself during the ride. So on positioning the elbow pads, it takes a long time because we adjust every centimeter to attain the best and most comfortable position, because in triathlon you have to be in a long aero position so you can be more efficient and fast. So starting from this, we are just fine tuning every centimeter that we can adjust to attain the most comfortable position for me. So that's all guys. It's very easy to build a Canyon SPEEDMAX. So what do you think now on buying online from a direct seller? Yes, of course, there are some works to do, but you can save a lot of money on buying from a direct seller. And with the help of some friends and basic knowledge on building a bike, you can easily build an Canyon SPEEDMAX. So until to our next video, peace!